want to shoot it that way or you want to shoot it the other way?
I'm going to show you opening up the cabinet. Simply, we'll have a padlock here. You'd unlock the padlock. You would open that up, and you would just swing the door out. This door out this way. Reach in, unlatch the other door. The other door come right out this way. And that's about it. And you got complete open access. And we're going to put on the rain guard over the top now. That'll be our little project this morning. So #1 project, and we got the shelving. We'll put the shelving in starting at this corner here. We got 4 foot of shelving. So it should be pretty clean. These are your drop down boards. This drops down, and then this lifts up and out. And that gives you total access to the batteries down below for your backup power. Oh, pretty self-explanatory. This would normally stay up all the time unless you were going down into there. And this should be a nice comfortable work height here. So we have shelving 16 inches deep. We're going to be putting that up today. Anyway, we'll keep you guys informed.